All right, let's look at question 29. It says make R the subject of the relation as subject of the formula 1 over P equals to B plus over T plus C over R. The first thing we do, we take the LCM. You take the B to that side, bring the R to that side. So this is 1 over P is equals to minus B over T equals to C over R. The next thing we do, the R we are seeing is what we want to make the formula. So we multiply both sides by 1 over R. Then first of all, we take the LCM of this, which is PT. P in PT, that's T, minus T in PT, that's P. P times B, PB, equals to C over R, cross multiply. So we have that R into bracket T minus PB is equals to PCT when you multiply that. Now divide both sides by T minus PB, and we have gotten our R. So R is equals to PCT over T minus PB, which is option A.